How to download Twitch app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar you see there and search for Twitch. Further, if you have downloaded the application before, then you will see the cloud-like icon with the download button. Simply tap on it for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the app previously, then you will see the option for Get. Tap on it and then enter your Face ID or passcode, and with this the download will begin. And once downloaded, you can simply tap on the open option you see there in order to launch the app. So this was about how you can download Twitch app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.